Alright guys, what's up? It's Jambors, new video, and today I'm going to do street portrait photography, the classical meeting with stranger. Actually, welcome my buddy in here. And this, because this just holds my lens over here. But today challenge is to shoot with men. And yes, for me, this is a big step out of the comfort zone. Wish me luck. I'm in Bucharest. In general, I'm from Eastern Europe, let's say, and it's much harder to contact people on the streets. In general, we cannot do those really like American style, UK style chit chats because people are just not like this in here. It would be feeling very inappropriate kind of to ask some personal questions and so on deeper. We are more straightforward in this, and less questions asked, bigger enthusiasm in, and yeah, it's a different kind of diplomacy, especially for a man-to-man talk, especially when it comes to photography. So wish me a huge luck, and yeah, let's walk through with me and let's see what's going to be end of this video. Let's go.
2 minutes. If you go this way, it's like 2-3 minutes. I will make you photos and then
I understand, but I need to go because
Okay.
I need to eat.
Okay. Powtórna. Challenge that I'm shooting only with men, and you look wonderful.
Thank you.
And would you like some pictures for free?
No, I'm alright. Thank you, man.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English? What? Little bit, un pic? Benny?
Nice to meet you. Yeah.
You're a sports team?
Yes. Yes.
Boxer, professionist, boxer.
Boxer professionist?
No.
Professionisti?
Amateur.
Amateuristi?
Amatoriski.
I'm Jan, by the way.
I'm Alex.
How?
I'm Alex.
I'm Alex. I'm Jan. Nice to meet you. Fine bine. So this is what I do.
It's okay, no problem.
Come to box.
Come on to the opposite, like the sun goes from here. I need a little bit light on it, right? Do some. Look into the camera all the time. Just don't hit it. Be a little bit far. Bine. Smile into the camera. And look into the camera. Look into the camera all the time. Good. And do. Look into the camera. O zi frumoasă.
La fel.
Pa. I will take a little video also, if you don't mind. Hi, how are you? You speak English?
Yes.
I'm a street photographer. I'm doing portraits for people random, and today I have a kind of a challenge that I'm shooting only with men, and you look like really good. For example, this is in Prague. Look on my shoulder. And I'm Jan, by the way. So you look good. You have amazing eyes. Cool. You look really, really good. And be a little bit more. Look over there. Perfect. It was a pleasure.
Thank you.
Enjoy your day.
Thank
Alright guys, so as you could see, it was very hard to find men, but I was also very lucky that I met this boxing team. Then I went to cafe, I received a coffee myself, that was fine. And then this guy from Tunis, who also, you know, were posing for me, but then I had like another 6-7 attempts. No way. The guys just don't want to do it. Like, I don't know how it's in Western countries or in your specific country, but in Eastern countries in general, guys, with them it's much harder. We are much more suspicious. We don't want to be center of the attention somehow, and it's very obvious that we say like no, we don't want to. We don't like to. We are not the yes men that much. I think this is culture very different from for example West countries or US, where everybody is very open. Here this is very opposite. It takes some time, especially for men, but I was very lucky. I have some very nice shots. I hope you enjoyed also this travel. I'm also glad for me that I went through my comfort zone, and I was just asking why not. But I think I'm stick a little bit more with women, because then I wouldn't have enough pictures, you know. And yeah, I think it's even more funnier with the girls, because they are not afraid to do crazy stuff. So this is it. This is from me. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. If you like the presets I'm doing the pictures at, you can buy them on Buy Me a Coffee, or you can buy me a coffee in general, or become a subscriber for my page at Buy Me a Coffee, and you will just receive a lot of things for free or with a big discount. So this is my proposal to you, and I see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.